Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. We're here on deck 13. This is the sun deck. Check it out. This is a massive unused space. There could be so much more up here. We're in port today in Tenerife, one of the Canary Islands. But yeah, look at all this space up here. This could be used for so much more. But look at this. This is a giant space. You can see all the lounge chairs, but there's nobody in them. You can see they're stacked along the walls. There's a few laid out here, but for the most part, they're never used, even on sea days. All right, let's head down to the jogging track on deck 12. Beautiful day. And look at this port. You can easily see the jogging track here. Let's take a look into the pool deck. Alright, you can see the pools. There are several hot tubs there. Yeah. Let's keep walking. We'll go down the port side. Alright, let's see here. Let's take another peek into the pools. Alright. Another view of the pools. Hot tubs. Yeah, there's a play area back there for the kiddies. We're heading down the port side of the ship towards the aft. Here's me again, in case you forgot what I look like. But you can't guess what's here. Yeah, back here is a landing for the water slides. Let's check those out here in just a second. Alright. Yeah. This is the landing for the water slides. And they start up there. All the way up there. Climb all those stairs. Get to the top of the water slides. The water slides end here. Let me show you what else is here. Yeah. Whew. Here's the very back end of the Adventure of the Seas. They have a flow rider. Check it out. Here's a flow rider. Got some of the flow riding right now. Riding the waves. Alright. Let's go up like a half a deck. You can see down there, they got the ending of the miniature golf course, and they have a Johnny Rockets. But up here is the beginning part of the miniature golf. Yeah, they start up here. Your ball goes in here and then goes down, down, down. And you continue playing down there. That's pretty wild. Alright. We're going forward here on the starboard side. Here on, I guess, deck 12 and a half. Normally this is a basketball court, but right now, pickleball. Seems like everyone's getting into pickleball these days. And they have a very active pickleball court here. Lots of pickle being played. Along with all the loud music. Lots of loud music. You know, they're going to have to replace these guys with pickleball players. Alright. We got a rock climbing wall here. Rock climbing. Go up the funnel. Rock climbing. Alright. Alright. And there you have it. The top decks of Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.